Software components. Now we want to discuss about software components. So now we are discussing about software components. So here we see this image, we got it clear information about software components. So this is the image. Okay. So this is SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. This is SAP S/4HANA 2023. And product software components is there. SAP underscore ABA 750, SAP underscore basis 750, SAP underscore ABA 75i, SAP underscore basis 758. So on top of software components, these are HR, oil is there. No, these are called as additional software components. Now, in every ABAP-based SAP system, here we are discussing about ABAP-based SAP system. In every ABAP-based SAP system, software components is available. Based on that software components only, we want to do one. So here we see, based on that software component only. So this software component, SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. There are so many software components is there, but these two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. There are so many software components is there. There are so many software components is there, but these two software components, we found in every ABAP-based SAP system. Which software components? SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. Here we saw system status. How we see software components after logging into the SAP system. So here I logged into the SAP system. Click here, system status. Here it is SAP NetWeaver 7.5 system. Click here. Here we saw installed software components version. SAP underscore basis is there. SAP underscore ABA is there. So these are all software components. What is available inside here? These are all called as software components. Total here, how many software components? 6 is there. Okay. Now, I log into SAP S/4HANA system. Now I'm logging to SAP S/4HANA system. Change system status. This is SAP S/4HANA 2025. Click here. Here also we saw SAP underscore basis is there, SAP underscore ABA is there. So here also software components is there. Here how many software components? 84 is there. So what here I'm telling is, in NetWeaver only 6 software components is there. In S/4HANA 84 is there. In ECC we got 130 like that. Depending on your SAP system, software components is available. But these two software components compulsory we found in every ABAP based SAP system. For example, is there. For example, what I am telling is, this is the question. Which software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system? In every ABAP based SAP system, compulsory SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore APS software component we found. S4 core software component we found only in S/4HANA only. This S4 core software component we found only in S/4HANA server system only. This SAP underscore APPL software component we found in only in SAP ECC system only. In SAP ECC system, here we did not found that one. In SAP ECC system only, this SAP underscore APPL software component will be found. This software component S for core can be found in S/4HANA server systems only. The software component SAP underscore APPL can be found in SAP ECC systems only. So, in every ABAP-based SAP system, software components compulsory available, but these two software components we found in every ABAP-based SAP system. S4 core software component we found in S4 HANA server system only. SAP underscore APPL software component we found in only in SAP ECC systems only. So based on this software component only, we work in the SAP system. So based on that software component only, we work in the SAP ECC system. Here is there. The software component SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA contain the basic functions. So we do user administration, performance tools, TMS, development tools, and so on, based on software component only. So software component. Okay, so this software component on top of ASAP are called as application specific software components. Here on top of software components, what is available, it is called as application specific software component. So here we are discussing about software component. After installing ABAP based SAP system, in your SAP system, software components is available. Based on software components only we do. So in every ABAP based SAP system, compulsory SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA software component compulsory is available. So on top of operating system, kernel is there. On top of kernel, software components is available. So this is about software components. Compulsory, we want to know after installing ABAP-based SAP system, in ABAP-based SAP system, software components is available. In ECC, what are the software components? In S4HANA, like that we want to know. There are so many software components is available depending on your SAP system. In NetWeaver, we got only 6 or 7 like that. In S4HANA server, we got 85 like that. In ECC, we got 100, 130 like that. Depending on your SAP system, software components is available. But in every ABAP-based SAP system, the two software components, SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA is available. That is about the topic software component. Compulsory, who are learning SAP basis course, compulsory they want to know about software component. So here, based on this software component only, based on this SAP underscore basis software component only, they tell SAP release. So by seeing this software component release, they tell SAP release. So that is about the software component topic. It is completed.